God. What the fuck? I don't know, it's working. Still working. I don't know, is it working? Let's see. Okay. First time I see it like that. Again. It's working. Unbelievable. This fucking shit is working. Oh yeah, guys. You think you clean it, it's clean environment, but inside, what the fuck? This is going to be clean soon enough. Okay. I don't know how this was working. You can see here. Look. There is no way the air goes in or out. Look, all this stuff, the power supply. Oh my god. Shit. Guys, unbelievable. Fuck. When I go deeper, I will update the video. Fuck. Okay, after blowing up most of the dust, now looks clean. The power supply is nice. All fine now. Okay. There's no much. There's some here I have to take out. The customer doesn't want to pay the extra to change the thermal paste. It is highly advised to do so. So using brush, we clean. I'm using a painter brush, as hard as it gets. It's the best thing to do, and blow the dust out. There are some cancers like this. There you go. Of course, I'm using a professional one, blower. That's why it's so easy for me to finish it. Okay, I will set it up again and see how it goes. Okay, all back. You can tell the difference now. No, you cannot. Yeah, look so clean. How clean it is. Look here, no dust at all, nothing, nada. Yeah, the same serial number. It's not a joke. This is like a new PlayStation now. Okay, let's fire it up. And there you go. Yeah, going to test the DVD. I'm using gloves, anti-static gloves. Always be safe, don't worry. There you go, all fine. Success. Please like and comment anything you like. See ya.